Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today Bubba and I, we're headed to Butler, Indiana for a, it says a toy and collectible show or something like that. Anyway, it's not a farm toy show, it's just a regular toy show. So anyway, and it's at a, what was it called? Monster Truck Museum or something like that. So anyway, I'll bring you back when I get there. Check that out. That's cool. They do have Bigfoot in here, Bub.
Yeah. It's like old days. What? It took him 42 years.
Equalizer.
42 years just any of them die. That's a statute to do that. But it was only showed once. And it was never on 66.
And these things are up here, ain't they?
Everyone go around this track. You need to go the other way. No stepping over this. Everybody go around. Hello.
Hi.
Been here before, pal?
Nope.
Well, welcome. Have any questions? I'm Christopher, and I'm the curator and tour guide.
All right. Yeah, great.
You can't. The chair or the cat. Silver and yellow. Sorry?
Snowman. Okay. Alright. This is the outside. Well, the show's over, or at least we're over it. Wasn't much of a show, actually. I don't suppose there's, what, a dozen tables?
Something like that.
At the most. But the cool thing was the museum that was there. I don't know how the hell they got all them trucks inside that building. Them things are tall when you're up next to them. yeah, this video ain't much of a video, but it's cool. It was a cool museum, so glad you're along for the ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road. Bye. Well, friends, as always, thanks for watching. Hope it wasn't too boring. If you have made it this far, I ask that you kindly subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. It helps to grow the channel. Thanks again, and until next time, later, Gator.